How to convert USDT on any chain to TON on Bitget Wallet. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to convert USDT on any chain to TON on Bitget Wallet. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, let's just open up Bitget Wallet, and then once you're here, what you want to do is you just click on more right here in the home page, and then once you're here, just go click on swap right here, and then from here what you want to do is to just set your from right here into USDT, and then from here you can choose what kind of chain you want. So you can choose Solana, Base, and a lot more, so feel free to check this section out. But for me, I'll just set it to Ethereum. There you go, USDT Ethereum. And the next is from the 2 is you want to convert that into TON. So just search up for TON right here, click on search, and then after that there is a TON option right here. So just click on TON right here, click on that, and then there you go. So make sure that your from is USDT and your 2 is TON. And then after that, what you want to do is you just input the amount of TON that you want to convert. So for example, I'll set it to 20. And then after that, Bitget Wallet will now convert on how much TON you will get from 20 USDT. So I will get 3.65 TON in exchange for 20 USDT. And then once you're ready to swap or convert your USDT into TON, just click on swap, and then after that it will now be swapped, and then after that you are now done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to convert USDT on any chain to TON on Bitget Wallet. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.